Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be showing you how to subscribe to a YouTube channel in just a few easy steps. By subscribing to your favorite channels, you'll never miss out on their latest videos, and you'll get notifications every time they post something new. Subscribing to YouTube channels is an important aspect of enjoying and engaging with the content on the platform. When you subscribe to a YouTube channel, you become a valued member of its community and gain several benefits. Yes, we're going to take you through the step-by-step process of subscribing to a YouTube video. Whether you're new to the platform or just want a refresher, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Before we get started, let's talk about why subscribing to a YouTube video is important. By subscribing, you become a part of the channel's community. You'll receive notifications for new videos, stay updated with the latest content. Subscribing shows your support for the content creators you enjoy. It's a way to appreciate their work and encourage them to continue producing high-quality videos. By subscribing, you contribute to their channel's growth and success, motivating them to create even better content for their subscribers. The first step is to go to the YouTube website or app on your device. If you're on a computer, go to youtube.com, and if you're using the app, open it up on your smartphone or tablet. And again, open your preferred web browser and go to www.youtube.com. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, you'll be able to browse and search for videos. Next, find a video on the channel that you want to subscribe to. You can do this by searching for a specific channel or browsing through your recommended videos or the trending page. Yes, look for a video that you'd like to subscribe to. You can either search for a specific video or browse through the recommended videos based on your interests. As you see the channel, click on the channel's name or icon to go to their homepage. Once you've found a video that catches your attention, it's time to subscribe. Below the video player, you'll find the subscribe button. It's usually accompanied by a red button with the word subscribe or a red icon with a bell. Click on that button and you'll be subscribed to the channel. That's it. On the channel's homepage, you'll see a red subscribe button. Click on it to subscribe to the channel. Once you've clicked on the button, it will turn gray and change to say subscribed. After you've subscribed, you have the option to customize your subscription settings. Click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button to manage your notification preferences. You can choose to receive all notifications, personalized notifications, or no notifications at all. Adjust these settings based on your preferences. Once again, if you want to control your subscriptions, click on the three horizontal lines on the top left of the screen to open the menu. From there, select Subscriptions to see a list of all the channels you've subscribed to. You can also turn on or off notifications for each channel by clicking on the bell icon next to the subscribed button. Subscribing to a channel not only allows you to stay updated with their videos, but also enables you to interact with the content creator and the community. Feel free to leave comments, like videos, and share your favorite content with others. That's it. You've successfully subscribed to a YouTube channel. You'll now receive notifications every time the channel posts a new video. Once more, subscribing to YouTube channels is an essential part of maximizing your experience on the platform. It keeps you up to date, supports content creators, helps you discover new content, and allows you to engage with a vibrant community. So, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button and become an active member of the YouTube community today. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to our channel if you haven't already. And hit the notification bell to get notified every time we post a new video, and if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.